Good morning! Happy Vlogmas day 4. I totally forgot to vlog all this morning. It's already like 12 something and I'm eating lunch and I'm so busy I don't have time to like make food, so I'm eating the leftover side dishes from yesterday. This is literally my lunch today and maybe something else, but yeah, I've been so busy and I've kind of been like procrastinating, so I don't have time to take an actual lunch break. Kilo's been super annoying like all morning and he finally went to sleep until he heard me open my food and then he like ran over here. Look at what Justin is doing to him. He's such a scaredy cat. Oh. 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 Oh my god, he never barks. Oh. Okay, stop. That's mean. You're so cute. Your dad is so mean. The first one he did, he went like that to his face. It was so cute. Oh, baby. And Justin's cooking beef over there, and Kilo's like sniffing the air for it. It's so cute. Why are you so cute? Oh, look at this booger. He's just following. Excuse me, you're gonna fall off the table. You're so mean. Okay, stop. You're on my laptop. I need to work. Look at this guy. Alright. Happy Saturday, by the way.
It's not Saturday, it's Friday.
Oh my god, I said Friday in my head, but said Saturday out loud. Okay, anyways, happy Friday. Justin got us boba. We got it from Ding Tea. We love Ding Tea. It's so good. I got reusable Amazon metal boba straws and they're supposed to come in today. They haven't come in yet, but I'm super excited for it because it's like rainbow metallic colors. I'll show you guys when it arrives. I think it's today or someday close to today. But yay, Friday boba. Why is he the cutest thing ever? Look at how he's sleeping. Okay, I just finished work. I'm gonna get ready and maybe take some photos and do some TikToks. I'm feeling like I should do my makeup today. And I wash my hair, so I'm gonna fix up my hair, probably straighten it though because I'm too lazy to curl it. I haven't really filmed anything today, so why don't we do a time lapse of me doing my makeup just cause why not? I need to think of like something to make this video interesting.
Standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto her phone. And I wished I had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her.
Okay, I got ready in 12 minutes and 46 seconds. Except I didn't put my lashes on, so.
Oh. I think you said paint.
No. I didn't put my lashes on, so that's the only thing left. So I did all this in less than 15 minutes. Let's go. Okay, just kidding. I think I'm gonna wave my hair, like do it really quickly so it'll look like little beach waves.
Let it go, let it go.
I guess, oh my gosh, I curled my hair in less than 10 minutes. Wow, this is a record, but I actually really like how this turned out. Like I did my waves or my curling method different today. So if you guys want to see or have like a detailed on how I wave my hair like this, let me know. I feel like this will actually stay for a really long time, but I'll definitely let you guys know like tomorrow and see how it is. Now I have to go find an outfit. Okay, I'm picking an outfit, but does anybody have, look, Kilo, oh gosh, I'm falling. He like scratched all my white crop tops down for some reason, and I'm going through it and realize I have so many. If I counted this, well, I have more at home too, like in home. But I'm pretty sure there's like over 60 here. No, maybe 50 or 60. Oh my god, so embarrassing. But for some reason, I just always need more white crop tops, and if I see one I like, I will get it. I am trying to look for an outfit, but I'm getting really distracted. I don't know what to wear, and Kilo's here with me. He's right here. He literally pulled everything down. And this is my PLT haul that I was gonna bring to Hawaii. Who knows if this will happen. I have some outfits I want to shoot in this, and I need to do a try on haul for this. Oh, I forgot about that. This is my first outfit for my TikTok. These pants are so cute. I got them from Amazon. They're like these knockoff, what's it called? Oh my god, what is that thing called? Oh shit, what is it called? Something in London. Joyce in London? Jade in London? Something like that. I'll put it here if I remember, but those pants are like $90, and these ones are, I think I got these for like 25, something like that. I have another pair coming. And it's really cute, so I'll show you guys that when I get it, hopefully soon. Okay, so today I'm doing it in the bathroom. The lights are off because the lighting's so much better like this. If you can see from there, Justin's over there working, and it's really dark here, but this is gonna be like my background today. Just because I'm close to my clothes and I can just put it back every single time I like change and stuff, it's already here. So this TikTok, I have to change like, I think like a couple, or not a couple, maybe like almost 10 outfits. So it might take a while. I really like this outfit. Huh? It's giving you what? Like a what?
It's giving me really good vibe.
Yeah, or like boss ass bitch. Okay. This is my next outfit. This is taking longer than I thought, but I am switching into like 100 different outfits. I have one more after this, but I think this video is really cute. Hopefully it doesn't flop, because sometimes it flops. Oh my gosh, I just finished. Oh, my armpit's itchy. Justin's in a meeting, so I'm whispering, but it'll probably be up by the time this video is posted, so I'll put it here if you guys want to see.
I had so many cute outfits planned for this year that I couldn't wear, so I just wanted to show you. See this? I love it. I couldn't wear it. Love it. Couldn't wear it. Then there's this. Love it. Couldn't wear it. Love it. Couldn't wear it. And this was supposed to be my cute costume, but no. Wasted.
Okay, I'm taking an outfit picture. The sunset was so nice. It kind of went down earlier. Can't really see that. Nope. But gosh, you can see me like this. Ooh, this is some good lighting here. But I'll enter some of the pictures that I took right now. And yeah, so I just got a clicker doing the same thing. I got my light here. This light broke, so I have this one attached to this one. It's really weird. And I got my phone here to take it. I used to take it on my camera, but I got lazy. This is so much easier, so I've just been doing this. Ooh, I look like an angel like this. Okay, I guess this vlog is kind of gonna be like take TikToks and photos with me, something like that. So I'm gonna take a few more. I'm gonna take a TikTok on how I do this, and then I'll be done. Don't know if we're gonna work out today. I have music playing on. Oh crap. Copyright that music. Oops. I don't know if we're gonna have a workout. It's already really late, so I'm waiting to see if they respond. But I'm fine with either because I'm still doing this. how I take pictures at home. Here I have my ring light, and it's kind of dark, so that's why I have it. And I have you guys standing on a tripod right now, and again, I'm gonna use my clicker. This is a saving grace. So what I'm gonna do is put you guys down here, I guess, here, and take my photos. Kind of dark here, but I'll show you guys the photos now. Oops, I forgot this was on. Sorry. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty in the background. Wow. Okay, anyways, time to clean all the mess that I made. So let's do another time lapse. Alright, I just finished cleaning, eating these. If you guys have not had this, highly recommend. Did I say that once already? Maybe in my last video, I can't remember. It's so good. I'm trying to find the flaming, no, is it flaming? The flaming lime ones. Something like that. I hear it tastes like tapatio. Kilo just jumped on the chair, but I can't find it. But I haven't gone to H Mart in a while, so I need to go just to find it. But you didn't look for this last time.
You didn't tell me to.
I forgot. But okay, I think I'm gonna do some overtime. Might as well, because our bucket's like crazy right now.
Talking to you.
My YouTube. Do you think I'm talking to you?
Yeah.
That means I have the same personality. Oh. What? What? What did you say? He's ignoring me. Thinking of everything I need to do. YouTube. Work some overtime. Edit my videos. Post my TikTok. Post a picture on my Instagram. Take Kilo on an OUT. I'm gonna give Kilo try one. Here. He bit it earlier and he's like, what is this? You're licking your lips. Come on, do you want to try it? Here. No? Okay. I won't force you. He sometimes will eat hot Cheetos, or like I give him a little piece and he like licks it and stuff. It's really funny. Do you want it? No? Okay. Well then, more for me. I just got my package and it was half open, but luckily it was not taken. But look how freaking sick this is. I got these new like workout shoes. I mean, we can't work out right now, but if I go to Hawaii, I wanted to wear these like on my hikes and stuff, because my other shoes are wrecked. Like I've had those for like 4 years. So I'm like, okay, it's time to get new workout shoes. Like, how freaking dope is this? It's so cute. I love it. Justin made us dinner. This is steamed egg, veggie, and chicken stir fry. He made himself some steak. Eating this again with this dog here. He's so cute, actually. And I just walked Kilo earlier and he had like so fun out there. But oh god, I look so oily. It looks so oily, but I'm gonna take off my lashes because can't be bothered to have it on anymore. Didn't work out today, by the way. I said I was gonna work out, but didn't work out. That's fine. We deserved it. I was doing so much other stuff though, so I'm gonna try this steamed egg. Whoa, look at that. Taste test. Oh, so hot. It's really hot.
Oh, yeah.
It's really good. Yummy. Good. Hot but good. It's really good. Okay, so this is Justin's second round because the first time the salt it all fell into the egg. So this is our second batch. Well, he didn't even start doing it, but right when he was mixing the eggs and put the salt in, the whole salt thing dumped in there. But this is really good. Oh, it's really hot. Look at him. He's so cute. He heard the door or he heard someone come out, and then he automatically came out. He was hiding under that pillow sleeping. Look at him. Oh, he's so cute. Look what it is. Dark chocolate cookie. I think there's either marshmallows or white chocolate in there. Okay, why is he sleeping like this? So cute. And we're watching The Undoing, episode 1. And I'm trying to edit, but I don't think I can. He was just like whimpering or like barking in his sleep because he was dreaming. And right when I take the camera out, he stops. But that's the loudest I've ever heard him bark in his sleep. It was so funny. So we finished, by the way, one episode of The Undoing, and I don't know who did it. It's kind of sus. Why is she acting so sus? But we can only watch one episode because I need to edit, and Justin wanted to go play games, but I'm almost done editing. I'm just doing the last part, and then like this outro I gotta add in and then make the thumbnail. So I'm just gonna end it here. I have a pretty exciting day tomorrow, so I actually don't know. My vlog will probably be late, or I'll see if I can edit like midway through the day and just do like little edits from here and there, and then maybe I can try to get it up on time. But we will see. So thank you guys for watching today's Vlogmas, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.